Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to download a song in Spotify. So let's get started. At first let's get into Spotify app. So here it is. Now we need to go in home and here we can see different songs. You can choose your favorite song and also search it in the search bar. When you are done searching and find your favorite song, tap on it. Now we can see a down facing arrow, that is a symbol of download, so we can simply tap here to download. Or you can click on this three dot and you can see download option over here. You can simply tap on this. We can see download is the option for premium users. So please make sure that you have already gotten the premium to download. Otherwise, you won't be able to download it. So this is all how you can download a song in Spotify. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.